you ever tried African Jollof rice? If not, let's move on. Tomatoes, peppers, spicy habanero chili. Everything is there. It's in red in color. So don't waste time. Let's move to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe is for 6 guests. We need 600 grams of tomato, 5 sprigs of thyme, bonito peppers 4, 1 whole garlic, half red onion, 350 grams of red pepper, all onto a blender. Make sure you put tomato first so it's easy to paste. Make into a fine paste. Onto a pot, add the sauce, give a quick mix and let it simmer and make it into a thick sauce. Don't keep it unattended, may have a tendency to stick at the bottom. When it's ready, set it aside. Onto a different pot, 1 cup of oil on a medium heat, add 1 chopped red onions, saute for 3 to 4 minutes, 6 tablespoons of tomato paste, combine well and let it cook for 15 minutes. The tomatoes should be well cooked. Add the sauce, 2 bay leaves, 4 teaspoons of curry powder. The curry powder recipe is there in my channel. 3 teaspoons of salt. Give a quick mix and let it cook for 15 minutes and all the spices are well cooked. 4 cups of Basmati rice or parboiled rice, 3 or 4 times washed. Add the rice to the sauce, combine well, cook on a medium heat for 5 minutes by stirring continuously. Add 7 cups of beef or chicken broth or stock, combine well, 3 teaspoons of salt. Cover it on a high heat, let the steam fill the pot. As soon as it's filled, cook on a very low heat for 30 minutes. A fluffy rice, fluff it from the side and enjoy a beautiful African rice. The African Jollof rice is ready. It's almost like a tomato rice, right? Not saying, but there will be a lot of flavors from there also. But this rice is amazing. The fragrance are so good. Beautiful rice. Today I am trying with the peppered beef. If you want the recipe, it's there in my channel. The beef, the onions, peppers and the rice. Just amazing. No other words for this one. It's beautiful combination. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen and just enjoy and eat.